Lightning bolt. I put your Instagram name on there, so like they know. Hey guys, welcome back to BA Performance. We got a short video today. We're gonna be putting a vinyl yellow tint window banner on a Tacoma. Right now, Matt is cutting it to fit roughly, and then he's gonna clean it up and install it for me because he's awesome like that.
Apparently.
Yeah, so here we go. And today's beer is not that delicious one right there. It is Opsari by Drecker. Highly quaffable. Like a 9.5.
I haven't even tried it. Where's mine?
Oh shit, I drank yours.
Oh.
Here you go.
What?
Don't worry, I drank mine too. Becky, that one's yours down there.
I know, I gotta finish the one.
Yeah. My other drink and a half here is another 9.5 out of quaffable. That takes those batteries and
Really?
leftover syrup.
Sweet!
So if you like put it in the pocket. Yeah, you put it in.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Alright guys, we're about ready to lay the vinyl in there, so here it goes. Is here going?
Yeah. $5. Oh yeah. Okay, that makes sense. That makes complete sense.
Marshall's cheaping out?
Pre-creased.
We're good.
You know what happens when you cheap out?
Yeah, I get $5 with a tip.
You get air bubbles. Because that's what it's looking like from here. Well, it is broke ass performance.
Exactly.
Why don't you go worth $5?
Yeah.
Worse on the other
I
side.
don't think this is.
Oh, it looks better on this side. Wow, you guys should see it from the inside.
I was like, it does not look that good from this side.
Already, like, it just takes shit out of it, though. Wow, who looks up there anyway? Too hot? I don't think that. Oh yeah, that's hot.
Yeah, this is fucking right here.
Oh yeah, it's like looking through a...
Oh, dude, you can't see shit. You can't see shit because on good tint, what you do is you keep spraying the water,
Right, yeah.
so it lubricates it and doesn't scratch the shit out of it like this.
yeah.
But no, dude,
It's like looking through a beer
I couldn't
bottle.
even do it because it just kept like falling off. And this shit's all creased as shit from the get go.
Right, that didn't even unroll
And
nice.
this is a genuine fuck up for sure.
Yeah, that looks better.
Yeah, we're pros at
I just figured now.
Well, no, it's literally how everything goes for me. It's like, yeah, we're gonna do this. It's like, oh,
Alright. It doesn't look bad. It's, you know, HFFA, man.
From the outside, I mean, it works.
If anything,
Broke ass.
Yeah. This makes the window.
the more opaqueness to it looks
I mean,
sweet.
when I come out here and it's sitting on the seats tomorrow, I'm gonna be like, what the fuck? Are we ready for that other beer?
Totally.
Well, that tint job didn't come out as well as planned, but it was just some leftover film from a project that never got finished, so not that big of a loss. I'm going to leave the tint on there for now, even though it's hard to see through from the inside. Just because the truck's sitting here and we ain't driving it, it's not a problem. If it does start to fall off or eventually I decide I like it or not like it, we're probably going to redo it with some better stuff. And that you'll see that in an upcoming episode. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. As always, like, comment, subscribe, and peace out.